You are here because you have persistent hiccups and need to get rid of them quickly. You've come to the right place. There is a very good chance they will be gone by the end of this video. All that is required of you is to focus on what you see and hear. Leave the rest to the power of science. Before we start, tuck your chin down snugly to the base of your neck. Get ready to swallow 3 times on my count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You're doing great. You can lift your chin now to its normal position. Now take a sharp breath in and hold. And now let it out. Great job. The hardest part is over. Now a visual will appear on the screen. Focus on the moving circles in the center as the music begins to play. Allow yourself to relax and think about nothing but what you see and hear. I will check back in with you at the end of the song. Enjoy!
Hiccups sound, it breaks the night, echoes loud, it gives a fright. Tried to stop with all my might. Oh, these hiccups, not so right. Drink of water, hold my breath, scaring me half to death. Upside down I start to fret. Hiccups still they won't forget. Hiccup, hiccup, go away. Come again another day. Can't you see I'm on display? Hiccup, hiccup, must obey. Cough and swallow all in vain. Turn in circles, feel insane. Wishing for a clear refrain from these hiccups that remained. Tried to eat a spoon of sugar, asked advice from all the togger. Nothing works, I'm still in rigor. Hiccup, hiccup, pain it triggers. Search for cure, both far and wide. Found no answer, tried and tried. All the remedies defied. Hiccups still here by my side.
And welcome back. How are you feeling? I hope you have found yourself suddenly relieved of your hiccups. If not, you can repeat the process one more time. If you are still struggling with hiccups after the second attempt, consider finding a dark, secluded closet to shut yourself in and scream at the top of your lungs. If this doesn't fix the issue, it will at least help you feel better about life. As always, thank you for choosing this video to assist you in your time of crisis. If it helped you, or if you just want to be a bad influence on your friends, please share this video with them. Also consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Until next time, haverglibberjuxtapori.